Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to render in alpha channel, which means transparent, in After Effects. Let's start. I have a video like this which is in alpha channel, like there is no background. So to check it, there is two ways. The first one is you can just create a solid, and let's move it to our background to check it. So as you see, it's transparent, or let's delete it. You can press here. So as you see, it's transparent, which means there is no background. Now let's render it in alpha channel or transparent. So for that, let's go to composition and add to render queue, or you can press Ctrl M, and from this window let's press here to lossless and change the format. Let's change it to QuickTime and go to format options. Let's select Apple ProRes 4444 and click OK, and from window output let's change the channels to RGB plus alpha. And if you have audio, you can keep it like this, or if you don't have audio like me, you can press audio output off and click OK. And then let's change the output place. I want to get this output in my desktop, and let's rename it to alpha channel and click save, and then click render. Okay guys, that's all, and it will be in alpha channel. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.